Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 3 to 9, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And if you have TikTok accounts, so follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, Mystic Queen PH, and also sa Facebook, lahat yan, Mystic Queen PH. Okay, so Gemini, wow. So marami ka ngayong ideas. Oo. Marami kang creative ideas na i-explore. This can be creative ideas, especially in your career, business, in your finances. Gusto mong mapaunlad ang iyong sarili. Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong pangarap, no? At merong isang pangarap na talagang seseryosohin nyo na. Oo, seseryosohin nyo na kasi talagang i-commit nyo yung sarili nyo dito. Hindi na lang to idea. You are going to work on it. Magkakaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo na ano ba yung dapat mong gawin para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo na yan. Okay? So you are exploring alam mo yung ang tawag nila doon, brainstorming, ganyan. So you may be talking to some people, yung iba naman ikaw mismo, no, yung gumagawa nito. Pwedeng sinusulat mo sa paper, nagbe-brainstorm ka with yourself of this wonderful idea. Okay, and then your overall energy is the Emperor. So this is about planning, calculated yung iyong mga actions, no? Pinag-isipan, pinag-aralan. This is also having the wisdom na kailangan mo for your projects, for your plans, for your goals. And the Emperor is also about structure. So, meron tong, kumbaga sa pagpapatayo ng bahay. Hindi ka lang basta magpapatayo ng bahay na hindi ka nagkonsulta sa engineer, sa architect. So, kumbaga, may plano, may blueprint, no? Some of you naman, ititrain nyo yung sarili nyo na mas maging disiplinado. Oo. You have the King of Pentacles as your challenge. So medyo malaki itong goal mo. And I think this week, alam mo rin kung ano yung effort na kailangan mong ibigay for this goal. This can be your goal for your business, for your job. Gusto mong ma-promote, so talagang ginagawa mo yung best mo para mapansin and to qualify for promotion. Yung iba naman, this is about the business that you are doing or side hustle. But with the King of Pentacles, this is stability. So you really need some effort talaga to make things possible for you. Okay? Kasi itong effort na ibibigay mo, maganda naman yung magiging bunga nito, no? Kasi you have the Empress here sa iyong money, career, finances. This is about harvest, this is abundance. So ano man yung in-effort mo, it will kumbaga may equate yun. Okay? Matatapatan yun. Your opportunity is the Page of Swords. So you have the opportunity to learn, to be more curious, parang open-minded ka sa mga bagay na kailangan ng pag-aralan, matutunan. You have the opportunity to gain knowledge, to absorb information. And then your blessing is the Seven of Pentacles. So as a blessing, no, maganda siya kasi ito ay yung patience mo, yung paghihintay mo. Meron siyang magiging magandang kahihinatnan. 'Di ba? Let's say nagtanim ka. Alam mo na nagawa mo na yung kailangan mong gawin para lumaki, mag-grow yung tinanim mo at mamunga. So, ang gagawin mo na lang is maghintay na mamunga to at i-harvest yung iyong pinaghirapan. Okay? You have Jupiter. Wow. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, good luck, and it's in your 10th house of career. So, maaring isa sa magiging focus nyo this week, yung trabaho nyo, yung source of income nyo, whatever you are working on right now, you have the full control. So, this makes sense kasi ang Emperor tsaka ito, control. Parehong-pareho yung energy na yan. So, I think ang focus nyo ngayon is to build a stable foundation in your career, your business, your line of work. And this will attract abundance for you. Okay? Kailangan lang talaga, you need to show up. You need to be consistent. You have the 6 of Swords. Oo, nagmo-move forward ka na. Oo. Kumbaga, hindi to naging madali para sa'yo. It's a struggle, pero you are in the direction na kung saan mas magiging magaan na para sa'yo moving forward. Sa relationship mo naman, you have the 6 of Wands, and then may flirting dito. So, some of you maaring attracted sa isang tao na maaring itong person na nagugustuhan mo is marami na nagkakagusto sa kanya. So, medyo tight yung competition dito kung sino ang mapapansin. Some of you naman, it's the other way around. Since mas nagiging successful ka, people are, gusto nila na mas maging malapit sa'yo. Ganun naman talaga, diba? Kung sino yung mas nagiging successful, gusto nila maging malapit sila doon. So, maaring meron kayong nagugustuhan ngayon, or especially if you're in the first stage of your relationship, hindi nyo to mamadaliin. Kumbaga, you want to enjoy each other's company. Para mayroon kayong strong foundation sa relationship nyo. Phoenix, how's that for happily ever after? So, ang energy ng Phoenix ay yung rising from the ashes, na nanggaling siya sa challenge, no? Rock bottom, pero nahit niya yung rock bottom, pero aangat siya ulit, no? Ma-overcome niya ulit yung challenge na yan. You also have the sun. Oh, you are painting the sun back into your sky. Wow. The sun, it symbolizes your vitality, your energy, your confidence. So, mas nagiging energetic ka, confident ka sa mga gagawin mo. So, that's why you are parang bumabalik yung yung lakas, bumabalik yung enthusiasm mo, nangangarap ka ulit. And this time, you're going to do it right. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.